Made this here with all the ice on in the booth at the game.
So I just went to the mall and I didn't really get anything. I just got this one sweatshirt because I'm basic. But like, yeah, I don't really know what else I'm doing the rest of the day. I know I have dance practice and I'm gonna be, and my mom's making me cook, so like rip me. And I just like cried, but it's fine. I'm fine. Hey guys, so we're at dance practice right now. And it's really tiring. We're doing a hip hop dance and it's gonna be so fun. And we have a surprise. Okay, well, I'm dumb and didn't tell you guys the secret. But basically, I'm going to Jamaica. And the girl that was like in that video, she's going with me. So yeah, that was like the secret. I don't really know. Okay, so I think you guys obviously know that it's Monday. Well, actually, like almost Tuesday, but like anyways, it's 11:38. I don't have school tomorrow. Low-key kind of want to make something to eat. I don't know. It's currently 11:50 and I'm making food. I'm making salad. It's Tuesday. It's 11:25 on Tuesday, and I just got to her house. Basically, today I was going to get my passport because apparently my dad had to be with. Yeah, my dad had to be with, and they're like, "No, you can't do it unless your dad is with." And we're like, "We can't, no."
Guess you're not going to Jamaica.
He runs a daycare, and the government place closes at 4:30, and his daycare closes at 5:30. So I don't know when we're supposed to do that, but now I just have to do more. I have to go. That hurted. So currently we're trying these new things.
They're not new.
Look at my finger. So we're trying these new things.
They're not new.
I had volleyball tonight. That's why I was like gone for so long. We're praying to the Lord in the heavens that we don't have school tomorrow because it's supposed to snow. So we're just hoping that we don't have school so we don't have homework. Hey guys, so it's 11:12 and school has not been called off yet, but we're hoping it does. I'm probably going to bed soon. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so we ended up having a snow day. And we have this new thing, it's called Flex Day. It's freaking stupid. It literally makes you want to die. So basically, they give us homework on snow days. Sorry guys, I didn't really vlog today, but like, I honestly didn't really do anything. We had a snow day, and I literally did homework all day because we have this stupid new Flex Day thing. I think I'm just watching Shane Dawson now. And probably going to bed. It's 10:44 on Wednesday. I didn't have church today. I do have school tomorrow though. And I have 2 dances tomorrow, so rip. I'm gonna be dead. Hi guys, we're at recess because we're freaking losers.
Me?
We're in 8th grade and we still have recess. What is this?
Fuck out.
Hi guys, we're at dance practice again. We're gonna have like 2 hours of dance practice, so yay us! So it's Thursday, right? No, it's Friday! Oh my god. Guys, it's 4:38 and it's Friday. And I have to tell you a little something that happened today. Basically, I died. Okay, so basically, I was going to her house, obviously, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like I'm here. And my mom wrote a note to the school and said, Acacia will be getting on the bus with Callie after school. And like signatured it and like all this stuff.
She signed.
And yeah, so we thought we were good and we got on the bus and he says, who are you? And I said, here you go, here's my pass. And he says, I can't accept this. You have to get off the bus. And we said, oh? And then we like walked off all pissy because, you know, we're just mad. And then we're like, okay, well, how are we supposed to get home? My mom's not in town. She can't pick us up. Like, how's this gonna work? We made it. We made it out alive. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, bye. So we're at the hockey game, and then so we're at a cancer benefit right now. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but so oh my God! It's literally a foot of snow. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't even get in the car. It's too. It's going down my shirt. It's going down my shirt. Oh my God! So we're running from my mom's boyfriend's house to my house. It's like a block away, and it is snowing bad, like bad. We've already gotten like a foot, and it's supposed to snow like another foot. It's not good. We gotta go. Oh, oh. Okay. So I just returned the key to my mother, and now we have to run all the way back. And now, oh my God, it's cold. Okay, so we're currently running in the snow. This is not good for my asthma. I can't see! My face literally hurts. God. Okay, so we made it in. I literally cannot feel my face. And my hair is soaking wet. I'm like dripping. My asthma.
My phone is tweaking like, bro.
Ew, it smells like pizza.
Yeah, my phone is tweaking.